For a successful safe transformation, we need to have leadership on board and involved. Michael Stump stated that in an Agile in the Zone interview. I can highly recommend to watch the whole interview. Click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's behind the 9th wicket.
Alright, today's topic is cool because it shows how the PI Planning app can be used in Scrum of Scrums. But this is not purely hypothetical. What we show you today are learnings from customers. After PI Planning, you create a new sticky type called Agenda Point. Choose a bright color so that the stickies stand out. Now the Scrum Masters can use this sticky type during the PI to write down questions, observations and concerns that need to be discussed. During the Scrum of Scrums meeting, you simply filter the boards according to this Agenda Point sticky type. Now it's also a good time to utilize the stickers on the program board. If a feature is done, you give it a green check mark. If it must be pushed into the next iteration, a yellow exclamation mark. If it is pushed into the next iteration a second time, an orange exclamation mark, and for 3 and more, a red one. This is how you manage effective Scrum of Scrums meetings with the PI Planning app.